Hello, Pinoy Blader. So, kumusta po sa lahat? How have you been? Well, we have today a new unboxing. Okay? So, this came from USPS. Alright. Oops. USPS. So, it's a big box. As you can see, medyo mabigat. It's kind of heavy. So, let's open this up. Let's use the HK unsub. Knife. So, natin. It's the unsub. Okay. What else? Okay. Okay. Look at that. What do we have here? There's a manifest. This is from Knife Works USA. Yeah, it's a manifest. So there's the knife. Okay, it's a PMP Knives Alpha Smilodon. It's a flame TI 3.75 inches blade M390. Alright, so open this up. So this is the box. Alright, very nice box. There, the Alpha Smilodon. It's a plastic box. It has its own small safe. Right? Very nice. Okay. So open this up. Oh wow. There's the knife. It's a beast. So there's this Alpha Smilodon by PMP Knives. Okay, so as you can see, it's a big knife, right? So I'll do it, open this up. Wow. Let's use a knife. Alright, so this side, what a beast. So as you know, PMP Knives made the famous Alpha Beast, right? So after the Alpha Beast, they made a couple of knives. This includes the Smilodon. Smilodon is a prehistoric tiger, I think. Hold on, let me check. It's saber tooth. Yeah, it's a saber tooth tiger. Those are the big tigers or cats in the prehistoric era. Sorry. So this is the Smilodon. As you can see, it's a very big knife. Let's put that aside first. Okay. And there's a challenge coin. So instead of certificates, now PMP made some challenge coins, and all the information is on the coin. So PMP Knives Alpha Smilodon there. So and then First run, limited 200 pieces worldwide. Brand is PMP Knives, designed by designers Vitesse Design. So this is in collaboration with the Vitesse Design, PMP and Vitesse. Blade is still M390. So there's the claw, right? Claw mark. And that's the Smilodon. That's the Itachola Smilodon. That's the saber-tooth tiger, right? Very nice. Wow, I loved it. Love it, love it. All right. That's a nice big knife, right? The Alpha. So there you go. Right? Let's take some pictures. Okay. So so this is made of, the handle is made of flame titanium. The design is flame titanium, and you can see there's like a design of the tiger stripes on the flame titanium, like a tiger stripes, right? Doon on the flat area, right? And it's has a pocket clip, titanium pocket clip. Wow. There are some like residues. Okay, titanium pocket clip. Very nice design, milled. And there's the bearing, and there's the back spacer. So there's also a glass breaker, I think, right? So I don't know if that's what kind of tip that is. Kung anong tip yun. And now let's look at the knife. Let's open it up. Look at the knife. Flip it. So there's a flipper. There's only one way of opening it, through a flipper, right? So sige, buksan natin. Oh, wow, that's a big knife. That's a big knife. Look at that. Look at that. All right, that's huge. That's a big knife. If you choke it up, look. That's a very nice blade. Clip point plate, right? Yeah. And then there's that's the marking. Look at that. Alpha Smilodon with PMP Knives M390. Now on the blade, you got very nice jimping. As you can see, it's a big knife, but it has a slim profile. The handle is slim. Also the blade, it's not that thick. Not like the Alpha Beast. The Alpha Beast blade is really thick. But this one has a slim profile. It's wide. The blade is wide. However, it's slim. Right? Also the handle is slim. Look. So the ergo is very nice. It's amazing ergo. Look. Right? Very nice. The handle's big, so you can you know, choke up on it, but still you got an extra long handle right there, and it's comfortable on the grip. And the flame titanium, they add contour to the handle, so you get very nice grip from those. And I really love the frame lock. Okay, let's look at the action. Oh wow, the frame lock is really nice. Look, wow, it disengages real smoothly, and then blade. Wow, it's a guillotine. So you watch out for your finger. Yeah, action is very nice too. It's super smooth and it's drop shotty. Wow. There you go. Oh, wow, that's amazing. There. That's music to the ears. Look, look. Here it is. Wow. That's very nice. So it's centered. Pretty centered. Well centered, I mean. Right? So the jimping on the handle matches the flamed titanium handle. The jimping on the blade, I mean, matches those on the handle. That's flame. Look at that. You see that? Oh, very nice. Now, okay. So let's do some size comparison. So at least you'll have an idea. Let's have an idea on, you know, how big this knife is. Okay, let's set this aside. Alpha Smilodon. Put that there. Yeah. Okay. So there's the Alpha Smilodon. Okay, sorry. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. So there's the Alpha Smilodon. So let's compare it with the CBB Elementum. There you go. Looks like a megalodon, not a smilodon. Wow, that's very big. That's pretty big, right? That's so funny. Sorry. I'm just so amazed with this knife. I've been waiting for this knife for a long time to arrive. So finally it's here. Now you got a good laugh out of it. Okay. So this, I guess, the CBB Elementum. How about the CBB Elementum button lock? There. Right? So you can see the CBB Elementum button lock is a big knife. It's a medium knife, I mean. And it's still dwarfing the the Smilodon is still dwarfing the thing. The button lock. CBB Elementum. So as you can see, it's a pretty big knife. How about the Protex Strider? There you go. Wow, it's way big, too big still. Wow, that's pretty big. How about the Damn Designs Basilisk? There. Ah, look at that. That's still big. How about the side? Move that up. Okay. How about the Kaiser Kala? So Kaiser Kala is a pretty big knife already. So let's compare this. Wow. The Smilodon is almost 1 inch longer than the Kaiser Kala. Right? So overall length of the Smilodon is 9.625 inches. Right? So the blade length is 3.75 inches. And the handle length is about Whoa, 9.675. So that's about shy of about 5 more than almost 6 inches, right? 5.5 inches for the handle length, right? So the handle thickness is about 1 cm, 1.3 centimeters. The handle length, handle thickness, and the weight is about 8.1 ounces. Okay. So the close length is about 6 inches. So yeah, the handle length is about 6 inches. Look at that. Wow. There you go. So it's a drop point blade. Grip point, drop point. M390. Tip up, right hand carry. The blade is a gray stone washed blade. So that's your size comparison. Let's do one more. Let's take this one. How about the CBB Conspirator? Yeah, that's a small. Conspirator is way too small compared to the Smilodon. Alright? Okay. So there you go. That's the beast. Now we look at the beast. Now we have an idea of how big this knife is. So for a big knife with a slim profile, slim blade profile, slim handle profile, and 8 ounces, yeah, that's pretty good. So it's not that heavy of a knife, not like the other brands who have this huge knife, but they're really heavy and really it's really hard to handle whenever you put them in your pocket. But this knife is very comfortable. So I guess that's why this is one of the best knives of PMP, you know, at the moment. Because you can actually use this instead of those other knives like the Alpha Beast. You can't really use that. It's too big. It's too thick. The blade's too thick and it weighs a ton. But this one, yeah, I think it's utilitarian, right? So I love this knife. I think this is the best knife in my collection so far. This is my new favorite knife. And I'm really glad I got hold of this because they're all sold out right now. You know, like days after I got it, they're all sold out. And I was really glad I got it from KnifeWorks, and it was still available at KnifeWorks. And I think I got the last few. I mean, this is one of the last few knives left that time. So I was really fortunate to get this, right? And I've been really waiting for this since I've seen this at the MC channel, Metal Complex. Yeah, and I already knew that I wanted that knife. Okay, and there you go. There it is, the Alpha Beast. There you go, the Alpha Beast. Amazing. That's amazing knife, right? Okay. So so this is just an overview, an unboxing and an overview. This is not a review. And I don't really do reviews, so I just wanted to share to you guys this beautiful knife. It's amazing. This knife is really amazing. Look at that. Wow. I'm just glad I had this. Well, thank you, KnifeWorks. Thank you for and the shipping took a while. It's almost a month. I think about, yeah, shy of 4 days. for a month. Yeah, almost a month, and it was worth the wait, right? And I think I got this. Was it on sale? I think so. I don't know if it was on sale or discounted price. And it's a brand new. It's amazing. Look at that. Look at that action. Wow. Drop shotty. It's guillotine. So watch out. There. There. Very nice action. There. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing. And I hope, we'll see each other again in the future, right? Pretty soon. Okay. In about a few weeks, I'll be uploading again some new stuff. Okay. And I'll see you guys again. Thank you for watching this video, and also to those new to the channel, please subscribe. I got other videos in the channel. I know nothing compared to the masters on YouTube, but locally, support local. Alright. Okay guys, salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa mga masugid kong konting subscribers. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana dumami pa tayo sa knife world dito sa Pinas. And magkita-kita po tayo ulit on the next videos. Okay? Mag-iingat po tayong lahat. Take care all of you guys and gals. Wherever you guys are, both here and abroad. Ingat-ingat po tayo at magkita-kita po tayong ulit. We'll see each other soon. Peace!